Well, I received a notice. We from the party legal cell, we have given it to the party legal cell. We will go by their advice. And we strongly believe that it is politically motivated because of the charged up environment in Telangana, upcoming elections. I think I got a notice, but unfortunate it is, in the last 1 year, there is investigation happening. I don't know how long it will happen. I don't think even 2G spread for so long. So it is unfortunate, but yet it is political and highly politically motivated. So people of Telangana will not take it seriously. We will, as a party, as responsible public representatives, we will seek legal recourse. We have given it to the party legal team, and we will go by their advice.
How do you see the timing of this?
For the summons that you have been asked, just like last time, are you going to be requesting that they come and your president
I truly have no idea. You've seen my schedule in the last 5 days. The moment we received it, we gave it to the legal team. So whatever they advise, we will follow through that.
आप इस तरह से कह रही हैं कि मोदी के नोटिस आ गए हैं, लेकिन अगर हम बात करें राजनीति की तो कांग्रेस तो ये कह रही है कि मोदी की मिलीभगत है, इसीलिए मोदी जी नोटिस नहीं भेज रहे या फिर ईडी का नोटिस नहीं आ रहा है, तो आप कैसे देखते हैं?
देखिए, हम सिंपल सी बात बोलते हैं, हम किसी से भी मिले नहीं है. हम मिले हैं तो तेलंगाना की जनता से और भारत की जनता से. अब दोनों नेशनल पार्टी जो कहलाती थी, उन दोनों का यही डर है कि केसीआर साहब को देश की जनता ज्यादा चाहने लगी है. तेलंगाना की जनता तो कैसे भी चाहती है, वापस सरकार में ला रही है. तो अलग अलग एलिगेशंस वो लगाएंगे, लेकिन एंड ऑफ द डे वी आर नॉट एनीबॉडीज बी टीम. वी आर तेलंगाना पीपल्स एंड इंडियन पीपल्स ए टीम.
अप्रूवल टर्न हुआ है ये दिल्ली लिकर स्कैम में, आपको समन आया है, तो इस पूरे प्रकरण को, क्योंकि 3 लोग अप्रूवल टर्न हुए हैं, तो कितनी मुश्किलें बढ़ सकती है आपकी?
Brother, as I said, it looks like a TV serial, never-ending TV serial. So I have no idea what is happening with that. But end of the day, party legal team will advise us, and we will go through their advice. So it is not a big issue or a serious issue to be discussed. It is a politically motivated summon. We will take a legal recourse on that.
Ma'am, how do you see the timing of this issue?
Recently, when recent summons were issued, you have went to the Delhi, you appeared for the questioning, and even after coming out, you have stated that they wait to sit me there, and you have made several comments attacking the BJP. And now again, it's a poll-bound state. They said polls are nearer. So how do you see this? Basically, will you be attending it? And one side BJP is attacking, one side Congress is attacking. They are claiming that a beating of Congress saying that a beating of BJP. So how do you see this? And why are you claiming that it's politically motivated?
Ma'am, how do you see the timing of this summons? It's just coming at a time when the election campaign is at a crucial stage. Do you think this will affect PRS party if there is further development from the notice?
Well, as I said, it is clearly politically motivated. From the beginning, I have been saying the same thing. And it has been the modus operandi of Bharatiya Janata Party in any poll-bound state. So now Telangana is going to polls. The modus operandi has taken, kickback in. So that is what we believe in. And we will certainly seek a legal recourse. We are a political party. We have a legal team. So we don't have to worry about it. But people will see through this kind of operation by the Bharatiya Janata Party. And people will certainly teach them a lesson. That is what I think. Thank you so much. Jai Telangana. చెప్తే కదా ఇప్పటిదాకా ఇంగ్లీష్లో తెలుగులో లాయర్లు ఎట్లా చెప్తారు లేదు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.